Hello friends, welcome to Health Buddy Natural. Aim of our channel is to give information about maintaining health and reduce medical expense. Today's topic is diet and lifestyle in summer season. As we all know, in Ayurveda, in different season there are different food and lifestyles are prescribed. So according to Ayurveda, summer season is the season when sun rays are very strong and that absorbs the moisture from the earth. So in summer, our body also is having lack of moisture because our body 80% is made up of water, and when too much heat is there, you perspire or sweating is there. By that way, your water portion of the body gets reduced. So in the summer season, you should take care of your food. So one should take the food which is sweet in taste and cool in its effect. For example, the rose sharbat or khaskhas sharbat, or drinking lassi or buttermilk which is cold in effect. Afternoon time you feel more heat in the summer, and summer is the only season when one can sleep in the daytime according to Ayurveda. In all other season, daytime sleeping is prohibited in Ayurveda. In summer, digestive fire is medium, so you should prefer to take more liquid diet and light food. Liquid diet like it can be sattu. Sattu is a special kind of powder which is made by some dal, and that when you soak in water, it's that water you drink, its effect is very cooling. Same way the rice is cooling in nature. The rice, and you can include some ghee, cow's ghee in rice. It is very good for in summer season. Milk is very good. Milk you can take hot or cold, whatever form. So it is good to give you strength. If you want some change, then you can take some milkshakes like rose milkshake or other flavor of the milkshakes. That will also give you some soothing effect in summer. You can take some seasonal fruits in the evening or daytime like watermelon, cucumber, orange. They are good for health. In India, it is a very famous drink called as shikanji. Shikanji is made up of lemon, and in some cities of India, especially in Madhya Pradesh area, you find a special drink called as thandai. Thandai is especially made to drink in summer. Same way, if you go to North India, you will get a bilva sharbat. That bilva sharbat is also very good for health. Same way, the unripe mango is available in this season, so you can make a sharbat or a cold drink with the help of pulp of unripe mango. One should avoid to take ripe mango in summer, but still if you feel like eating, you can soak mangoes in the water whole night, and then next day you should use, so that the chemical and the heat effect of mango can be subside. Naturally, because summer you feel more thirsty, so your water intake should be more. But if you come from outside, you are sweating, you should not take immediately the refrigerated water. Just wait to dry your sweating. Then you can drink normal mud pot water will be better. So this way water intake should be more in this season. Many other things are also helpful in this season, like coconut fruit. Coconut water is, we know, it is very good for health, and in summer coconut water is the best drink, one of the best drink. You can chew coconut itself. There are fenugreek or fennel. You can make a powder of fennel with the mishri. Mishri is also cooling in effect. This powder you can chew 2-3 times a day. It is very good for stomach heat. There is a provision of Ritu Haritki in Ayurveda. Ritu Haritki means taking the harad churna, Terminalia cebula powder, with different things in different season. So in summer season you take the harad churna with jaggery. 5 gram of harad churna and 5 gram of jaggery you take. This is having rejuvenation effect. That you can take with hot water. Also, one should avoid too much salty, spicy, fried food in this season. Generally, we should avoid in all seasons, but in this season especially we should avoid salty, sour and spicy food. And too much heat producing food is also not good. One should avoid vigorous exercise in the summer. Reason is, if you do vigorous exercise, so that will give you exhausting effect. So do the normal medium quantity of exercise. Daytime you can stay in a cool room, and night time you can sleep at the rooftop, which is considered as good for health. Sleeping in natural air, especially if moonlight is there, sleeping at rooftop is really good in the night. Also, one can apply sandalwood paste on the body. It is very cooling in effect. One can wear pearl ornament because pearl causes cooling effect in the body. So not in the form of ornament, you can use pearl as a bracelet or wear pearls in any form. It is very cooling in effect as per Ayurveda. Also, one should stay near to river or can go to river for having that cooling effect in the body. If river is not available in your area, then you can go to have a walk in the garden in the evening. Garden filled with flowers will give you a very cooling effect for body and mind both. So summer is the season when you should take care of your body with the help of this food and lifestyle we mentioned. If you have any questions, please feel free to write us. You can see the list of the books in the description of this video. You can get those books either in ebook format or in the paperback format. We have some videos of this channel. If you want to see the old videos, there is a list of videos given in the description. Please see the list, and there are links given with the name, so you can click on the link and see those old videos. If you want, we should make videos on the new topics of your interest. Write any health related topic, we will surely make videos on those topics in near future. If you like the information of this video, please share this video with your friends and relatives. It will increase our enthusiasm to know our latest updates, which video is coming, which is uploaded. Please subscribe this channel so you will automatically get notification of the new video. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.